Here is how to generate sales tax reports in Xero step by step. Begin by going to the top menu in Xero and clicking Reporting. This opens the area where financial and tax-related reports are stored. Depending on the version of the menu you see, select Reports or All Reports to continue. Both options take you to the report library, where you can browse the available report categories. Once you are in the Reports area, look for the Tax section. The report list is grouped by type, so move through that section until you find Sales Tax Report. Open that report to move into the Sales Tax Reporting screen. When the report opens, select the Sales Tax Summary tab. This tab gives you the summary view for the reporting period, which is the layout used for reviewing totals across sales tax rates or categories. Before generating the report, set the from and to dates for the period you want to review. Make sure those dates match the exact reporting window you need, since the totals in the report will be based entirely on that date range. After the date range is in place, choose how you want the report to be displayed. You can select Show by Tax Rate, Show by Tax Component, or Show by Account Type. Each option changes the way the same sales tax data is grouped on screen. Choose the one that matches how you want to review the information before continuing. Next, click Update. Xero will refresh the report using the date range and display setting you selected. If the page takes a moment to load, wait for the totals to finish updating before you review them. Now look through the generated sales tax summary. Focus on the key columns shown in the report, including the rate, net, and tax amounts. This is where you confirm that the summary reflects the reporting period you entered and the grouping option you chose. If needed, you can compare the layout on screen with the view you expected before saving or publishing. When you are ready to keep the report, decide whether you want to save it as a draft or finalize it. Click Save as Draft if you want to keep the report without publishing it yet. This is useful if you need to come back and review it later in the same state. If the report is ready to be finalized, click Publish instead. That records the report as a published version. After that, choose how you want to keep or share a copy. Click Print if you need a printed version of the sales tax report. If you want a digital copy, click Export to export the report from Xero. The export option is the one to use when you need a file outside the system for records or review. Your sales tax summary report in Xero is now generated, reviewed, and saved, published, printed, or exported as needed.